A man walked for 1/3 hour and then got an automobile ride for 1/2 hour. What part of time consumed he ride on automobile? A. 0.3. B. 0.6. C. 1.4. D. 3. Correct answer. B. Which one is wrong? 140, 340, 540, 730, 940, 1140. A. 540. B. 730. C. 940. D. 1140. Correct options. B. X plus 2y equals 5 and 3x 6y equals 20. In the system of equations above, A is a constant. If the system has one solution, which of the following cannot be the value of A. Minus 1. B. 4. C. 3. D. 1. Correct option A. When Dr. Abdus Salam was awarded the Nobel Prize? A. 1960. B. 1979. C. 1969. D. 1978. Correct option B. In 21st Amendment military courts were established for how many years? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. Correct option. B. A U-turn came in the foreign policy of Pakistan after the world launched a war against terrorism in 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Correct option A. Pakistan and India together host the World Cup in which year? A. 1987. B. 1989. C. 1982. D. 1990. Correct option A.